What constant term would you add to make this expression a perfect square? Okay, so we have like x squared plus some number x, and recall from what we learned in class, when we have x squared plus some number x, and if we want to make it a perfect square, all we have to do is add half of this term square, half of b, which is b over 2 quantity square. All we have to add is half of 2 square, and we are just finding this term for these two questions, for these three questions. Okay, so in this question, x squared plus bx, so b is 6. Okay, half of b square, so b over 2 square is 6 over 2 square. 6 over 2 is 3, 3 square is 9. So we need to add 9 to this expression to make it perfect square. So the answer is 9. Okay, let's move to the second question. X squared plus bx, so b is 5, so all we have to do is half of b, so b over 2, 5 over 2 quantity square, which is 5 squared 25 over 2 squared 4. So we need to add 25 over 4 to make it a perfect square. So 25 over 4 is the answer. In C, x squared minus b is 5 half, in fact negative 5 half, but we don't have to worry about this negative sign. So 5 halves. Okay, so this is b, so we need to add half of this, so half of 5 halves. So what is half of 5 halves? So 5 halves we need to half, that will be this 2 comes to the bottom, or you can think like this way, 5 halves, this division into multiplication, 2 means 2 over 1. Okay, so we keep, change, flip, change division to multiplication, flip, so 1 over 2, so that's 5 over 4. So half of 5 halves is 5 quarters. Okay, this is already 5 halves, we need to add half of this quantity square, so half of 5 halves is 5 quarters, it's like 5 over 4. Okay, so we need to add 5 over 2, that's already there, half of it. Okay, half of 5 over 2 quantity square, and this one is 5/4 quantity square, which is 5 squared 25 over 4 squared 16. So we need to add 25 over 16 to make it perfect square.